Alright, let's talk about something that's always bugged me. Why do public restroom doors have those giant gaps at the bottom? I mean, if privacy is the whole point, then what's with the peekaboo design? It turns out, those gaps are there for a few pretty practical reasons. First up, safety. If someone passes out or needs help inside, it's way easier for someone to spot them or for emergency staff to get in quick. Imagine if the doors went all the way to the floor, you'd need a battering ram just to check if someone's okay. Next, let's talk cleaning. Public bathrooms are, well, not exactly the cleanest places on earth. Those gaps at the bottom make it super easy for cleaning crews to sweep and mop all at once, without wrestling with heavy doors or missing those gross corners. But wait, there's more. Those gaps also help with ventilation. No one wants odors getting trapped inside, right? The extra space lets air circulate, which, let's be real, everyone appreciates, especially after Taco Tuesday. And there's a sneaky reason too. People don't linger. If you know someone could see your feet, you're less likely to spend an hour scrolling on your phone in there. It keeps the line moving, which is essential when you're at a busy mall or stadium. So while the gaps might seem awkward, they're actually all about safety, hygiene, and keeping things running smoothly. Next time you're questioning the design, just remember there's a method to the madness. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've spotted any other weird design choices out in public.